It's a wet and wild kind of beauty pageant in Japan. A contest to find the best-looking koi fish. And the competition can be quite stiff. Yasuyuki Tanaka farms these beauties called nishiki-goi, a kind of koi fish which are a result of careful crossbreeding. He brings his fish to contests and takes care of his precious aquatic jewels.
The quality of water means everything for nishiki-goi fish. So our job is to create the best quality water for them. That is a very delicate task.
At this pageant in Tokyo, the stakes are high. Judges will vote for the champion fish, which can later net hundreds of thousands of dollars.
For these fish to win the championship, the curvature accounts for 60%, the contrast of colours 20%, and the pattern 10%. The remaining 10% goes to its hinkaku, which means aura.
There are many secrets of the trade when it comes to raising champion koi, and some may sound a bit simple, but they are probably not.
Put it this way, it's like looking after your own children every day. You care for your kids and want them to grow healthy. In the same way, you take care of these fish, appreciate them, and adore them.
Nishiki-goi farming is widely believed to have started about 200 years ago in the mountainous region of northwestern Japan. Today, koi fish is big business, making waves across the world. In 2016, Japan's koi exports reeled in $30 million. That's a 50% increase over the past decade. But for Tanaka and other enthusiasts, they say raising beautiful koi is an art form and isn't just about the money.